emrase bedwafie na mebe no so. But before then, just about 21 minutes ago, and I'm who say Yura Afenyo-Markin, a minority leader, are you supposed to be? Na enra meka ho ne ho asem wo ha fa eye comments ya o mekiye na asem a wo ka no sebiu ewo nyina so mum na mum sade wo sifa so kan na asem no enye papa as a leader, which are ye criticizing. In fact, enra Ghana Bar Association so are criticizing a whole lot of criticisms about concerning said the posture and they said you see fakasaye to the judge, no, any in fact the judiciary, no, na a hardene as a leader. But idea way ena or they abeto the page 21 minutes ago. Na mami read it, Jeff Fato Sumaye. Or say it is both ethical and within my constitutional rights to call out a judge who has no respect for the law and the rights of citizens. There's a pattern in the conduct of the Circuit Court 9 judge in political cases that go before him. Bra Facebook, it will be to me abehe on Facebook. And yet me and American free meeting. That is what is written on his page. Cases that go before him. I cannot in good conscience respect a judge who has no respect for the law. The minority caucus in parliament will not shut its eyes to the conduct of this judge. A series of action will be taken in parliament and the appropriate constitutional steps will be taken to rebuke him. Our laws are not above the law. Questioning the excesses of a judge's pattern of conduct does not amount to an attack on his person. The Chief Justice must keep an eye on the Circuit Court 9 judge and prevail upon him to uphold the ethos of his judicial rope and wake. We Afenyo-Markin, bra Facebook no ne da ho no na what target Ghana Bar Association make sure say omo criticize say a lawyer for amranimfo anim defo omo ku and the catch said the Afenyo-Markin ye no enye papa na omo entity enkyere saa. Enra, I listened to the Ghana Bar Association submission on Afenyo-Markin. Almost say a lawyer for entity entisa. Na Afenyo-Markin eye lawyer need the esu hunu enim de ye. Na kwan fa so kasa ye no anko yi. Ejinanka make repost to me expect sa Afenyo beka say oh we bi kra. Asema make na wo mu de ba ma no I trash ye na de me koye no ma nye much ethical. But rather wabe justify conductor or dan edia obiye ka ho asem se enye no. Na Afenyo, let me put your mind to something. Uye obi a watwere wa ha asem o kan nyina ne so wo no obi a obumra no ono ye obi a ohwese mra be koyie no on transe nhwe ni tribu akura bebu ni fo so obetena se ahwese judge bi ebetietie amra so nti no na eso wo pa kire se de waye no ne kwan so ano no. Na Afenyo obeteki appropriate constitutional steps and no de normal parliament no waye de keka no wa bobo so bebrebe. You knew all these things, but don't start with just an attack and disrespect to even the judiciary and the judge what sa court 9 awokasemi. And I refer so okasa as a foot soldier and the Ghana Bar Association a confirm the American. It is not right, and you are a lawyer, you know. But the wabe church say near why no says why sa na person kachre. And na ubumra and na wunim so obi ya de a ese e famra kwan no so pepepe. Nti se obi kra ya de na nya yi a ese famra kwan no so. But quickly, mami en refer to one kasa usunu ban na ade bi a waya ma na twam. Jeff a video no to so mami. Say even a police officer a wo gina wanimu a na mo ye protest sa wo kai Afenyo. Come and watch your own video and yourself. A police officer in uniform. Any ebusuabe me about Facebook abewe. Aha na Afenyo-Markin. Some police in the hare and wa bo police in the trius on. Wa bo na pampa mu asem ni mu aka ho. Afenyo-Markin ni somebody who respects the law. Obi a obumra. Any ewu bewe o Facebook. Afenyo-Markin minority leader. Wa hwe police ni etrim. Police ni o she uniform. Coat of arm. osa shechempo ko atuche no kra de ankenya problem o my Ghana na Afenyo-Markin abo my Ghana pampam because coat of arm na bo police no she uniform no kire say Ghana ne kura no but Afenyo-Markin ebo police ni na pampam pew enie behwe Jeff ya ko wachi wo na maye eduwo so ubumra Afenyo-Markin minority leader ebra wo ye we nyina na ye minority leader wo ye minority leader ewo parliament obi a wo so ni mra. Look at what you did. Police officer will show uniform. Upon. And no yanya she. Say no son camera anya eduma because me am tiwe me ko bo police ni se sie ya. Hey, asema to me. But who the mra na new? Ade na kan jom so mo mechew because won so opubum ranti wa wo hwe video no back a ofum ye njo mechew. Ye mfa nyina mra no. You see yourself. When in life. Semi bumra and I'm dimra so. The way police ni way ordinary Ghanaian be na ye yankasa abri wo dem. Enti wa fa no me video we ya kire say wo so ye obi a wo bumra wo de abetu page a. Wa fa ho kwose ye nchew na police ni na wo born no ti amra policeman in uniform. It's shameless to even defend that act now wo ye no. And you shameless. Very shameful. Very shameful act. And why you ya what's up be defending when you wasem obi aka Ghana Bar Association won crofo e bi kura ye mpanimfo che be senior lawyers no more catch us a kwaya fa so kasa as a lawyer na nya wa be gina Facebook say defend this e di nguasesem na wo ye no ona wo hwe police ni wa ha no ba ya nchew na me kura me won wasa sa de ya nchew so you obi abumra fa ho ko se wa bo police ni nti ye nchew. Come out and apologize for the way you energize and no man now church to defend something that is not, I mean, that's out of order. Asam na okan no obi anu ni eyi o se bia enye no kura na say ye no kuru, but the way you spoke was wrong. Ghana Bar Association so catch now. Then you tag them say you respect the law nti omonye den. Who respect the law and ka obu prosini. Very shameful. Jeff, my phone nsi na ma yemra parliament.
Oh yeah! Come on! Nhyira
104.5
Na ade bi koso eye parliament public accounts committee. Na minim se wate a edenam. Na be pese wutie in the next 3 minutes no. Wankasa ebi afi na unya indication what actually transpired na me wia ye di hon komo be so utie ni nyina between Sam George